I'm Jim G. Lopez. Thanks for joining me today for this service tip video. So I just got done filling up. What I'm going to do is you can use this for a full tank. It takes 26 gallons. Each one of my tanks, I have 2 tanks. So I'm going to put this whole bottle in here. And I just filled this one up on this side, my 2 tanks. And that's pretty much it. Just use this engine system cleaner. It's from Quickleen, the Mercury brand. So this will help your boat, your outboard motor, and you can use it for your inboard motor as well. So let's take this on the water. So for sure start every time, use the Mercury Precision Care Quickleen engine fuel system cleaner. So for all your maintenance needs, go to PartsVu.com. Be safe and have fun on the water. Thanks for watching.